Depositional coastal landforms. So the most predominant one is beaches. Beach. Okay, due to wave action or longitudinal drift of waves in Solvo, the marine sediments are brought down into the coast and get deposited along the coastlines, which are lying parallel to the coast. Yeah, coast oda entire margins la parallel marine deposits nadakum. Eppadi deposits nadakudhu? Due to the wave action. Waves bring in the sediments and they will arrange them. And based on the nature of my sediments, beaches are further divided into many. Okay, beaches are further divided into many, and the most common type here is sandy beaches. Beaches of sandy nature. Okay, sandy soil. The porous soil. In fact, in India, the second largest urban beach is your Marina Beach, which is in Chennai. So obviously, we know what sandy beaches look like. But this is also an example of a beach. This is also marine sediments, all deposited along the parallel margins of coastlines by wave action. And what about this? These are not sand. Then rocks, pebbles, yeah, rounded pebbles. These are pebbles. Very finely abrated. Abrasion and the surface becomes smoothened. It smoothens down. Up rounded, smooth surface rocks are pebbles in solvo. Up the pebbles ala arrange panirka koodiya beach is known as shingle beach. Shingle. So this diagram is an example of an shingle beach. If this rock particles are very much bigger, okay, that is known as boulder beach. Boulders na bigger rocks na artham. Boulders ingradhu bigger rocks. Appo small rocks, pebbles ala arrange ayirna, that is shingle. Adavada periya rocks arna, we call that as boulder beaches, which is a rare phenomena, which is quite rare. And the most common type is my sandy beaches. Throughout the world, the largest beaches, the beautiful beaches all fall under the sandy nature. Okay, margin la blue flag certification of beaches. Okay, Indian beaches la yarukku blue flag certification kedachirukku chumma or go through panunga, current affairs oda connect panikanga. Okay, next question area. Next paaka poradhu question area. Okay, now along a coastline, of course, coastline nama board la varira madri straight line ah irukka poradilla. It is always have denudations. Undulating body ah da irukum coastal margins la. So what would happen? The marine sediments, this is my coastal region. Okay, if this is my coastal region, the marine sediments would develop initially along the coasts, and these marine sediments are not visible over the sea level. Depositions first nadakumbodhu coastal features la depositions enga nadakum along the ocean floor la da nadakum. When the depositions accumulate over time, the depositions grow in size and they started depositing and they are seen above the mean sea level. You're getting me? Appo initially deposit agakudi and the deposits which are forming on the ocean floor and not visible over the sea surface, these are known as shoals. Shoals grow in size and these deposits are known as bar. Bar. Enga paathom bar, sand bars, riverian deposits on the coast. Similarly, bars are more commonly developed along the mouth of a river. Yeah, mouth would carry so many sediments along draining into the ocean. Appo mouth of the river la da mostly bars oda phenomena adhigam paaka mudiyum. Right? Now, when bars grow in size, idu enna landform visible ah irukku illaya. Idukku adiyila oru larger shoal irukum, which is not visible because it is under sea. Ocean floor la the shoals irukku, which is nothing but the landforms created by deposition of marine deposits. Adukapram visible ah land oda attach ana madri enoda bars develop agum. Appadi develop ana we might define the bars are growing. Yeah, the bars are growing in size, and this is known as spit. So enna nadakudhu? Shoals ingirudhu the larger platform on the ocean floor. So bars are the initial landform. Bars develop into what? They develop into spits. Fine. Sometimes a spit may grow even bigger because of accumulations, larger accumulations. It may reach or connect with the nearby land. So rendu land connect பண்ற மாதிரியான deposits, marine deposits form ஆனா that would enclose a water body in between. இல்லையா, இங்க இருந்து அந்த ஸ்பிட் grow ஆகி கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா grow ஆகி இந்த மார்ஜின்ல attach ஆயிடுச்சுனா it will appear like it is enclosing a water body. Such water body is known as lagoon. Enclosed water body with the growing of bars or with the formation of spit is known as lagoons. In the lagoons grow lagoons form agudna the sand bars grow agudhu illaya, appo or narrow water channel is formed, and that narrow water channel is known as tidal inlet. Yeah, ஏன்னா rise in sea level tides occur ஆனா water எந்த வழியா தான் உள்ள வரும், அந்த inlet வழியா தான் வரும். ஏன்னா அங்கதான் gap இருக்கு. என்னோட spits and bars grow ஆகி entire land enclose பண்றாங்க rigid-ஆ மாறி, right? And spits again are of different types. Spits again are of different types. If this is my land area, if this is my land area and this is my spit is growing, இது land, இங்க இருந்து grow ஆகுற bars may grow in size and they would appear a curving nature. ஏன்னா இது எல்லாமே brought in by your wave action, and due to wave action my spits may take a curving nature. Such type of curved spits are known as hooks. நார்மலாவே ஹூக் இல்ல பின்னா எப்படி இருக்கும், ஒரு பெண்டோட தான் இருக்கும். சிமிலர்லி என்னோட ஸ்பிட்ஸ் வந்து grow ஆகி அந்த வேவ் ஆக்ஷனால ஒரு கர்விங் நேச்சர்ல ஃபார்ம் ஆனா that is my hooks. இந்த ஸ்பிட்ஸ் இங்க கனெக்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா இந்த வாட்டர் பாடி பேர் என்ன? This is my lagoon. Lagoon or backwaters. இது கனெக்ட் ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்ன இந்த இன்லெட் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? It will facilitate your water movement. That is your tidal inlets. Terms புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியுதா? இன்னும் ஒரு டைப் ஆஃப் ஹுக் இருக்கு. If this is my island, this is a bigger island, and there is a growth of my spit happening along in this margin, and it is making a curvature. Why these spits are curving down? Because of wave action. Wave action நால deposits எல்லாமே என்ன ஆகுது? ஒரு curve nature form ஆகுது. Curve ஆகி அதே ஐலண்ட்ல போய் அது மீட் ஆகுது, making a complete loop. This is known as loop. So bars, spits are found mostly parallel to the land area, okay, enclosing a lagoon. Spits they are found. Sometimes a spits take a curved nature known by the name hook, or it will complete an entire enclosure without any tidal inlets. That is known as loop. Okay, so this is my loop. If this is an island, so mainland la illama or island lime enoda spit formations adhigama irukum. Illa இன்னொரு special type of spit இருக்கு, that is tombolo. Tombolo அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு mainland and a smaller island இருக்கு அப்படின்னா, when these sea waters are very narrow, maximum deposits would happen in that particular region, and the spits or bars will grow connecting the two land. Such type of wave action would result in the formation of tombolo. நான் சொல்றேன் புரியுதா? ஒரு மெயின் லேண்டையும் ஒரு ஐலாண்டையும், you can see from the diagram, ஒரு மெயின் லேண்ட் இருக்கணும், ஒரு ஐலாண்ட் இருக்கணும். ரெண்டுத்தையுமே கனெக்ட் பண்ற மாதிரியான ஒரு growth of spit occur ஆச்சுன்னா அந்த different type of spit is known as tombolo. Sometimes the bars may grow in size not attaching to any land. Maybe அதோட lower relief, அதோட ocean floor ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருந்திருக்கலாம். So அந்த மாதிரி இண்டிவிஜுவலா grow ஆகுற ஸ்பிட்ஸ பேரியர்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, so they are not attached to any mainland. Okay, bars may grow in size individually or isolatedly, alienatedly. Such type of spits or bars are known as barriers. இதுமே sequential order தான், right? Sequential order of development of coastal features. Deposition நால நடக்குது. So this is the actual diagram. As you can find, ஒரு river mostly bars எங்க associate ஆயிருக்கும், ஒரு river வந்து sea ல drain ஆகும்போது. ஏன்னா river கிட்ட அவ்வளோ sediments இருக்கும். And you can find here, these are all what? எல்லாமே alluvial plains, எங்க எல்லாமே cropping தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Agricultural field lands இருக்கு, so fertile lands. இது எல்லாமே delta formations ஓட பார்ட்டா கூட இருக்கலாம். So when the river merges into sea, it will have so many sediments, and in the இடத்துல when the wave actions redeposit the sediments over the coasts, it forms the bars. Okay, and this is the growth of spit. In the green color represents the island, and the island oda margin we can find so many deposits, and the land is as if growing. Land la irundhu or tail grow ana madri irukum, which is nothing but the development of a spit. Okay, இது என்னோட land, இது development of spit, enclosing what? Enclosing a water body, and I call this water body as my lagoon. Okay, எதுமே வேண்டாம் எனக்கு. Seriously, இப்ப என்ன பண்றது? இதுதான் வரும். Okay, fine. So this is my depositional features. இன்னொரு இம்பார்ட்டன்டான depositional features is known as marine dunes. Marine dunes. When the sediments are so intense and so huge, especially in your arid and semi-arid region, these are also accumulated by wind action. So wind also favors the development of marine dunes. ஏன்னா dunesங்கிறது எதோட தான் படிச்சிருக்கோம் நம்ம, sand dunes எல்லாம் wind action oda. அப்போ ஒரு coastal region arid conditionsல இல்ல semi arid conditionsல இருந்துச்சுன்னா sand dunes are formed along the coasts. Such type of sand dunes are known as marine dunes, and marine dunes can be look like an desert. These are very large marine dunes, or some dunes can be vegetated depending upon the climate of the region. Coastal regions la இந்த dunesங்கிறது desertல இருக்கிற மாதிரியே sand dunes இருக்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்ல. இந்த மாதிரி கண்டிப்பா பார்த்திருப்பீங்க இல்லையா? நம்ம பீச்லயே பார்த்தாலே நிறைய இடங்கள்ல sand dunes மாதிரியான ஒரு appearance கொடுக்கும். அது என்ன? Depositions are done by waves, but the alignment is all favored by the wind action. Coastal region we have a phenomenon known as land breeze and sea breeze. So the wind is so intense along your coastal region, so it will arrange the deposits in a such a manner.